What's the meaning of Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease? Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease.
Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease. Creutzfeldt-Jakob disease, CJD, is a rare and fatal degenerative brain disorder. It is caused by an abnormal protein called a prion that affects the brain tissue, leading to rapidly progressive dementia, muscle stiffness, and twitching, as well as other neurological symptoms like blurred vision, difficulty speaking and swallowing, and loss of coordination. There is no cure for CJD, and most people who develop the disease die within a year of onset. CJD can be sporadic, inherited, or acquired through exposure to infected brain or nervous system tissue.